There has been found a computer virus that can hypnotize human and even make them kill themselves. Please do not turn on your computers while we are trying to make free antivirus to save your computers. The virus has 3 stages. First, lagging. Your whole computer or programs may lag very hard. Second stage, files or documents may appear on your computer by themselves and filling your disk space with trash or black figures in the games you may play. Third stage, totally encrypting your computer files and showing psychedelic videos on the screen. Zero point 0.3 seconds is already enough to hypnotize human and end your life.